Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Market research is a key step in preparing to launch a startup. Here's a list of reasons why it's important to give it proper time and attention. Quality market research will help you avoid spending time on startup ideas that have no significant market demand. It will help you find product market fit faster. Quality research shows the changes in a market and what the market needs. It shows what customers to pursue and how to promote the product. And market research will help you find more investors. After completing your market research, take the findings and build a slide deck showing the size, growth rates, and trends, and reach out to potential investors and invite them to learn more about the market segment. In general, investors look for quality research and take the opportunity to learn more. Tell the investor you are not raising funding now, but only researching the market, and you want to show them the results. Present the information to the investor and indicate you're going to work on a startup in the space, and offer to give them updates on the market. There's no ask to the investors, so it's easy to gain access to them. When the time comes to raise funding, you'll have a group of investors who are educated on your market segment. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.